Hey, welcome to this week's Tip Tuesday. Hey, do you have a bunch of popsicle sticks laying around? Trying to figure out what to do with them? Well, this tip will help you and your kids in your garden. Hey, looking for a way for your kids to help you out in your garden? Have them color on some popsicle sticks. You can use those as garden markers.
Making sticks for the garden.
Cool. What, Kinsley?
It's gonna be yellow.
Cool.
That's just red.
And after you have a pile of your sticks colored, you're gonna go ahead and get a marker, black marker probably, and just write on it on what it is. Hey Kinsley, what are you gonna do with those after you got them colored?
Put them in my garden.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this week's Tip Tuesday. If you did, please smash that like button. Also, if you've done this before, please write a comment down below. Please keep sharing this, and until next time, keep growing.